Hello viewers, welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now in my previous tutorial you see how to install Laravel. We installed Laravel successfully. Now you see I installed my Laravel on C drive on WAM64 folder. There is a www folder. For installing Laravel we automatically created a folder named blog for Laravel, and these files and folders automatically created when I install Laravel. Now we know about these files and folders, how it works, and so this is the root directory. The root directory of Laravel contains various folders and files. These folders and files. So what is this app folder? This directory, this is a directory and it contains the core code of application, and this bootstrap directory contains the application bootstrapping script, any bootstrapping script, and this config directory contains configuration files of application, and this database folder contains your database migration and sheets, and this public is the applications document root. It starts the Laravel application. It also contains the assets of the application like JavaScript, CSS, image, everything. And this resources directory contains raw assets such as less, SAS files, localization and language files, and templates that are rendered as HTML. And this is route for route, URL for URL, and this storage directory contains app storage like file uploads, framework storage, cache, and application generated logs, and this test directory contains various test cases, and this vendor directory contains composer dependencies. And when we go for app directory, and this app directory is the application directory. It contains a variety of additional directories. These additional directories, which is console is all the artisan commands are stored in this directory, and this directory exceptions. This directory contains your applications exception handler, and is also a good place to stick any conceptions thrown by your application. And this HTTP directory contains your controller, filters, and requests, and this providers directory contains various policies of your application. Okay, fine. Now we see how it works. What does the folders mean, how it works, and okay, fine. This is all about Laravel application structure. So if you enjoyed my video, then please subscribe my channel